Welcome to your very own channel, Obscure Aspirant. Who am I? Why the mask? What is this channel even about? Chill. Answers are coming, just not all right now. What you do need to know. I'm here to make your NEET 2026 prep less boring, more real, and actually helpful. So, buckle up, cause this journey is just getting started. A very warm and humble welcome to all the obscure aspirants out there. It's just not a channel, but a reflection of every unseen tear, every silent battle, and every dream that refused to die. My name isn't important. What matters is the journey I have lived. One that mirrors thousands of NEET aspirants across India who fight battles most never see. Behind every score lies a story, and mine wasn't filled with top ranks or glory, but with pain, uncertainty, and relentless determination. I wasn't someone who cracked NEET in the first go with flying colors. In fact, I scored low, so low, that my dream of MBBS slipped away. But as we say na, not every ending is the end. So that was true. It was the beginning of a different journey. I ended up choosing BAMS. Not out of desire obviously, but out of the raw need to keep moving forward. Because we cannot stop, right? And through that journey, I discovered something even more valuable than a rank perspective. Because rank is not just life. What people never see are the obscure aspects. The sleepless nights haunted by anxiety, the pain of watching my father's health crumble while I sat for mock tests with tears in my eyes. The moment of self-doubt scream louder than the hope, like it was the only voice coming out of me. And the cold silence after yet another setback. Life wasn't kind nor fair. There were days I questioned my own worth, my decisions, and even my future. The scores fluctuated as widely as my mental state, and the external criticism didn't help. Relatives keep on asking ab kya karega, and the pressure from society constantly crushing my already fragile hope. But amidst all that darkness, something inside me that should be inside you too refused to give up. I reached a turning point like that comes in everyone's life, which changes everything overnight, but that kind where you realize there is no going back. And even though it was already too late to change my past, I decided to give my all to change someone else's future. I gathered every ounce of strength left in me and rose not as a topper but as someone who understands pain, who knows how it feels to give your all and still fall short. That's why I started this channel, not to flaunt success but to share reality. I demand your trust, not because I have a perfect story, but because I don't. I have made mistakes and now I want to make sure you don't. I am here to guide you not just with books and strategies, but with the emotional and mental support that most ignore. Right? To every student watching this, I am here to help you with every exam, every dream you wish to, whether it be NEET, JEE or any big dream. And to every parent trying to understand this chaotic journey, you are not alone. I will walk with you through your doubts, fears, and failures. I promise to be honest about my journey, and I guarantee one thing: if you truly want it, and if you follow the lessons from my failures, you will crack NEET in your first attempt. This is Obscured Aspirant, where every broken dream gets a second chance, and every hidden struggler becomes a future doctor. Thank you for watching. I will catch you soon with more helpful content in a new blog. In the meantime, keep grinding and smash that prop. Got doubts? Hit the comments, like, share, and subscribe to spread the love today. And a pro tip: don't forget to show it to your parents because they need to understand your journey more than you.